Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Rebecca, Stu, and the Crew. I'm Rebecca. Today is Tuesday, so it's time for our first Dollar Tree video of the week to see what's new and popular restocked items. This is for Tuesday, November the 29th, 2022. So let's go shopping. We're going to start first with the apparel and accessories. They didn't really have any new apparel, but they did have some accessories like these bags that say Positive Vibes with the boho rainbow. That was in a light pink, and then they had a light baby blue that says Shine. Also, they had out some of these new easy open eyeglass bags. They are a waterproof design in these mesh bags. You've got your ombre looking rainbow, the tie-dye with the pink, orange, green, and yellow, and then the one with the purple, light blue, and lavender. And now for the arts and crafts. This week they had more of the wood stems in the 3 different sizes. I found those at a few more stores this week. They had these Jolie's brand silk flowers that you can use in crafting. There are 2 in a pack. I only saw them in these dark navy blue, and then they've restocked a bunch of their rhinestone iron-on decals. They've got the tiger, the heart-shaped one, also the butterflies, and I noticed with the butterflies they've added some flowers around the outside. I don't remember seeing those before. And then they've got the feather, the one that says Queen with the crown, and sometimes they have one that says Blessed and one that says Thankful. There's also a bunch of paints in these new bottles that you get a little bit more now for your money now that they've raised the price. And then they've also got these the seasons coloring books that are single-sided pages. You can use markers and whatnot on each page and not worry about the marker bleeding through, but it had a lot of really pretty pictures in there for the different seasons and for older adult and teen coloring. Then there are these farmhouse signs. You get 3 in a pack to put on different craft projects. They've got the diamond shaped here that says Blessed. You've got the square that says Filled with Joy, and the daisies, the little truck that says Family, and then the Farm Fresh with the stack of animals. And then they also had this little barn or the circle with the wood grain that says Gather. And again, you get 3 pieces that are exactly the same in each pack. The health and beauty items this week, we'll start with hair care because they really didn't have anything new as far as cosmetics go. They had these small little miniature hair brushes in the 3 different colors. There was purple, the mint green, and pink. Here's a view of the side and the front. They're in a matte finish. There was also the Goody brand claw clips. There's 2 of them. They're about a medium size. They had the Goody brand bobby pins in a few different colors, and then the no metal elastics for medium and thick hair. And you get about 10 in each pack. They also put out some more of these stunning volumizer combs with the wax brush, and you'll have to put the inserts in the brush. Now for the pharmacy and personal care items, I found these new one-step pregnancy tests. These are a little bit different than the ones they usually carry. It's the Clarice brand, and it shows you the 2 lines pregnant or just 1 line if it's negative. So those are a little bit easier than to use than the ones they usually carry. They also had these nasal strips for helping you to breathe better while sleeping, and the electric toothbrush with the replacement heads. You get 4 replacement heads in a pack, and it just takes a AA battery. You can get those in several different colors. They had the artificial nail tips. They're 80 pieces for $1.25, and then these little hydrating facial lotions or facial mists, and they had the pomegranate primrose. There's the coconut cream and peach. They also had vanilla and almond. And then this one here is the chamomile cucumber. They have the lavender and cedar leaf. The green one is the water lily cucumber. And all of those look like they're an ornament. They also had some of these specialty soaps. They're 2-ounce containers. We've got the vanilla bean scented hand soap. They also had winter apple scent, and then the winter berry. Now for the fun find items this week, they had a bunch of their novelty pens. It's the Jot brand with the squishies on top. So you've got your emoji face pizza. They have a slice of watermelon, a pineapple, and a popcorn. Then they had these plastic cases for sunglasses. They are made out of this really thin plastic. It's pretty pliable, so you could probably put pencils and things in it as well. They'd be nice to keep in a purse, to put different little trinkets and things in, even lady products. And they have them in quite a few different colors. And they're hanging on those plastic strips down the aisles. Then over in home decor, they had some new candles this week. They're 3-ounce candles. There's 3 different jars here. You can see the orange, yellow, and red. The orange is the French toast and pumpkin butter scent. The yellow is Bartlett pear cider. And the red one here is the harvest berry. So I love the container. They all have these little bumps down the sides and all the way around. You've got your metal lid, and then there are white candles on the inside. And they smell really good. They also had these wood signs that say Love Lives Here and Home Sweet Home. They had these out a few months ago. Some new frames. These fit a 5x3 inch photo. This one says Together at the bottom. It looks like a galvanized metal style word there at the bottom. They also had it in gold that says Blessed. And then one in gold that says Friends. You can get these picture frame cameras. They've got those that hold a 2x8 inch photo, and they have them in yellow, blue, pink, and purple. And they're about a 1/2 inch thick. They just sit up on a shelf. They had a bunch of new 4x4 photo frames, like the black and gold. You've also got the refrigerator magnet that is the 4x4 frame, or the floating frame. I also found some wood grain. It looks like a weathered wood grain that holds a 4x6 inch photo with the mat already attached. And then in the last minute gift ideas, they had these new frames that are 5x7. They almost look like an old seashell or ivory type of shell that have the tile around it. But I think it's really just printed on there. Then these desktop signs that are made out of wood. They have Get It Girl, Let's Chill in the blue. They have lights in the bottom so you can light them up. The coffee one is double-sided. It says Shh, coffee first, and the opposite side says Get Busy. And then the purple one just says Shine Bright. The only one that was double-sided was the coffee one. They all have the lights inside. Now for the home library, office supplies, and teaching tree section. They had some new glue sticks that are acid-free. You get 4 in a pack. Those are the Jot brand glue sticks. And then they have the original glue sticks that you can get 8 in a pack for the same price. Or the Place School glue sticks. Those are the larger size, washable. They had the Jot brand correction pens. It's been a long time since they've had these in. And then some new list pads. So this one says Collect Beautiful Moments. It's got these really pretty flowers around the outside, and it has the magnet on the back of the list. You could hang it up on like the refrigerator or whatnot. They also have this one that says Make the Most of It. These are all 60 sheet list pads. The pink one here says Enjoy the Now. There's a better view of it. Then they had this one that says Bold and Beautiful with a really pretty mauve and rose color around the border. One that has different spots for each day of the week and the weekend. The Get It Done list pad in purple with the different, each row is a different color, so you could fill that out. Or the Have a Good Day, and it has morning, afternoon, and night spaces to fill in. Then there were these dry erase calendars. They have this one that says This Is Your Year, the blue and black one. And this one has the rainbow colors, or you can get the all white, which is some floral patterns in the corners. And all of those are the dry erase. Some self-laminating sheets. You get 3 pieces. I believe they were 5x7 inch pieces of the plastic. Some new corner office Jot push pins. You get 30 of the rose gold push pins with the clear topper, or the velvet push pins. You get 20. They had the gray and navy blue, and those all have the rose gold pin attached. For housewares, storage, home maintenance, and electronics, we've got the 2-piece hooks. Comes with the hardware to put them up. They also had some new taper candles in pink and purple. The kitchen and pantry items. We have quite a few new things there. I showed you guys last week. They have these new Vasta making little contraptions. I'm actually going to do a review for that on Thursday. There is the Nature's Goddess juice. They have the berry power blast, and then the 100% pomegranate bottles. And then there were the Martinelli's sparkling ciders. You've got the pear cider, regular sparkling cider. They had the apple grape and apple cranberry, and they are 8.4 fluid ounce bottles. Some small cheddar and jalapeno cheese. The Cars Holiday Cheer Mix. These are all for those like build your own gift baskets that they have out. I showed a few items last week. Also the 4-ounce Harry and David coffee. We've got the vanilla creme brulee. That's the 4-ounce bag. And then they also have the breakfast blend. And then I showed you guys this little jars of jam they had last week. They added the strawberry jam, and that goes with the peach, the hot pepper jelly, apple butter, and the red seedless raspberry. Also the Martha White Wildberry Muffin Mix. They have that in. Also the one, it's a blueberry muffin. They have the Banana Nut Muffin Mix. Also, they have the Pillsbury Homestyle Biscuit Mix where you just add milk, or the Cheddar Garlic Biscuit Mix. Now for the party supplies. There were these invitation and thank you card packs by Hallmark. These are hanging in those little cubicle like cutouts down at the end of the card aisle. They had quite a bit of sets where you can get the invitations and then the thank you cards that coordinate, which I really like. I haven't seen the coordinating sets in quite a while, so I was really happy to see these come back. They're really great for like small parties and get-togethers. And then they had a bunch of different colors of the buffalo plaid gift wrap. I found them in pink, blue, purple, in gray. Over in Toys, Games, and Entertainment, they had some new Barbie clothes that are the winter sports. They had snowboard, the skiing. This one's really cute. You got your little skis and the poles with a helmet and a jacket and the pants. Also, they had hockey. Then there were these Novelty World light up tops. As they spin, they light up, and they had them in blue and yellow. Some small, kind of like Legos. It was the Ninja Turtles, and you can collect all 4. There are 30 plus bricks in each pack. It comes with their weapons and everything. So it has all of the pieces there. They have Donatello, Leonardo, and of course Raphael. Again, there's 30 bricks in each pack. Then they had these little cardboard cutouts that had the SpongeBob SquarePants Build It minis. You could get SpongeBob, Patrick, and Squidward, and there's all 3 in the pack, and it does show you on the front which one is in each pack, so you don't have to guess. So it's a little bit easier to get each one, and those would make great stocking stuffers. There were these Wishkins. It's a jungle fantasy, little animals. It shows them on the box here, which animals you get. So you could either get the jungle fantasy surprise inside, or you can get the puppy fantasy, and there are 6 different puppies that you can collect. They also had the miniature Power Rangers. They had the black Power Ranger, blue, pink, green, and red. And then they had their little minion Tsum Tsum toys. They had some new puzzles. These are a 12-piece puzzle that you can color. So there were 2 different Arthur puzzles. And then the wild, I think it's Kratz. There were 2 of those. And then a bunch of the dinosaur train. I think there are 4 different dinosaur train puzzles. And all of these you can color. So it shows you kind of like what it would look like colored down the center. And then that's just the wrap. And then of course it's got the uncolored puzzle on the sides there. They had the miniature travel games. They had Uno to Go, the Dos Go, and Lowdown. We actually have the Uno game. It's a full deck of cards. So we like them. We use them all the time. Over in the seasonal items this week, there were these cedar picks. You get 14-inch by 3-inch, and there are the silver, the red, and sometimes the stores will have white. I didn't see any of the white ones this week. There are also these vertical little hanging pictures here that are the it's kind of like a tinsel material, and they made them into like little candies. They had some that look like snowflakes as well. You could either get the all white, all silver, or blue, white, and silver pack. These small gift boxes that you open them up and it holds a gift card, and it says to, from, and the amounts. You can fill those in. They had like the gnomes. They had a Santa, a snowman, a little red truck, some more of the metal pails. I showed you guys these. I think it was last week on Friday. I saw these 3, but I hadn't seen the reindeer. I don't remember seeing that one. So I wanted to make sure you guys got to see that one. There are also some treat sacks. I believe you get 10 of these sacks in each pack. And then also the snowflakes that are monogrammed in the center. So these are all the letters that I found available. And they're a large, about a 10-inch round snowflake. So they had the letter S, L, and A, the letter C, K. They had J and B. These do have a little bit of glitter on the outside. Then they had the monogram letter ornaments. I love the plaid, and it's layered on top of a wood letter. You get a little bit of greenery and berries at the top. So they had the letters A, L, B, J. They had M, C, K, and B. And then the last one I found was the letter S. And then they also had J. Then they had these little, they look like a gift tag, and it was layered with the buffalo plaid. It had the wood letter on top. I want to say they're about 6 inches tall and about 3 inches wide. And then you were able to get the letter C, J, K, B, L, M, S, and I believe C. And the last bit of monogrammed items they had were these Santas that have the monogram letter on the belly. They have a buffalo plaid hat at the top. It's made out of that like particle board type stuff that they sell a lot of the signs in. And they had all the same letters. So it seems like they get a very selective set of maybe the most popular letters that you find in things in the alphabet. And that's all they seem to be getting in. They had some new placemats. The blue and silver and white one here has the dark blue on the back, and then some different Christmas plaids with the red, green, gold, silver, black, and white. And there's a few different patterns that you can get. So there were 4 different placemats in all, and these have the red backing. So these are the double-sided placemats. Then they had these glitter bay leaves that you can craft with. They had the white, red, and green. And here's a close-up of the reds. You could see them a little bit better. They all look the same, just a different color. The Dollar Tree Plus items, which are the $3 and $5 items. They have a bunch of grab and go games like Monopoly for $5, Battleship, Trouble. Those are both $5 each. And then they had the Friends game and Family Feud. Also, they had the Mix and Twist slime pack that is $5. Some new welcome mats. They're really heavy, so they won't blow away. Those are $5. Some new bath rugs that are about an inch thick. They're pretty plush. Those were $5 each as well, but they're a really nice large rug. I personally have them in my home. I think they're really nice. They have this 2-inch by 10-yard jumbo velvet ribbon. They are $3 each. There's 2 shades of green, 2 shades of red, 2 shades of blue, and white. Then there were these large boxes that have the fold down Velcro flap. I love this green one here with the Christmas trees. It was $5, a little bit pricey for me, I think, for just a gift box, but you could use it for storage and other items. They had a smaller version that was $3 with the red truck and the Christmas trees, and there was one more that had a wreath on it. So they're either $3 or $5 depending on which size you get. The 50 count baking cups, you get 2 different baking cups in each pack. There's 25 of each, and there were 2 different packs. So there's 4 designs in all. These small shadow box style wood signs that say "Here Comes Santa Paws." They are a 10 by 10 inch frame for $3. They also had one that says "Home for the Holidays" with the little pug here and the dash sound. It says "Dash sound through the snow. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate you stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you haven't done so already. I'd really appreciate that. And here are some other videos from our channel you might also enjoy. Have a great day, everyone.